Come test drive the 2019 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, remote trunk release, variable speed, intermittent wipers, keyless entry. Come take a test drive today.